Hi folks, this is Paul Padda with the Federal Defenders. Today I'm going to talk to you about what does a federal grand jury do. A federal grand jury is an investigatory body that investigates whether a federal crime has been committed, and if so, who's responsible for committing that crime. The federal grand jury gets evidence presented to it by federal prosecutors. The federal grand jury will make a determination that if there's enough probable cause, they'll return an indictment alleging that a particular person committed that crime. When that happens, there's a technical term in the federal system, it's called a true bill. The really important thing to remember is that a federal grand jury does not make findings of fact in the sense that they don't determine guilt versus innocence. The federal grand jury just decides that there's probable cause to charge a person with a crime. There's some important facts to remember about a grand jury. Number one, a grand jury must be comprised of between 16 and 23 persons. However, at least 12 members of the grand jury must agree to return an indictment. Number two, grand juries meet for 18 months at regular intervals. Depending on the city, there may be multiple federal grand juries occurring at one time. Smaller cities, you might only have one federal grand jury. They can meet almost every week, they can meet every other week. It all depends on how many charges the federal government is looking to bring. The third and really important thing to know about federal grand juries is that these are secretive bodies. In other words, they're not open to the public. You can't just go in and watch a grand jury proceeding. If you get a subpoena to testify in a federal grand jury, this is something that you should take very seriously, because anything you say in a federal grand jury potentially could be used against you. So in other words, even if you make a misstatement of fact and the federal authorities think that you're lying, they can charge you with a crime just for testifying falsely in a grand jury proceeding. And so for that reason, it's really important to have a very competent lawyer advising you on how to best proceed in the federal grand jury. Remember folks, at the Federal Defenders, our motto is that a good defense is no accident. Thanks for watching our videos here at the Federal Defenders. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell below to get updates on when new videos get posted. We're constantly trying to inform our clients and those who follow our law firm about recent developments in federal criminal law. Please click the bell below, get the updates, and get informed. Thank you.